Hello everybody. Today we show you how to make Chinese takeaway style crispy seaweed. First, you will need your fresh greens. We cut out the middle. Middle never go crispy. Stay soft. Cut middle and roll like this. Then chop, chop, chop. Nice and fine. Like this. Finer you cut, the more crispy it be. You want stringy like this. Perfect. Now have your oil very hot. Add in the chopped greens. Be very careful. Keep lid on. Will pop until water content is out. Cook until nice and golden and brown like this. Then you want to drain out all the excess oil. Put into sieve. There you go. Next, for maximum crispiness, you will want to sit on paper towel until all the oil is absorbed. Just dry off gently and put in the bowl. There you go. Crispy seaweed, Chinese takeaway style. Lovely jubbly. Now, finish touch. Add sprinkle sugar. Sprinkle of MSG. And finally, a sprinkle of fish seasoning. Just sprinkle on top like this. Perfect. Lovely. Crispy seaweed. Lovely jubbly.